In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix the application was unable to start correctly with the error code 0xc00007b. So let's get started. So first, we just need to go ahead in the Windows search bar, and here we need to open a browser. So let's open Chrome browser. You need to type Chrome, then click on Google Chrome under the best match. Then here in the search bar, we just need to simply type this one, Visual Runtime AIO. Hit enter. And you'll find the first option from www.techpowerup.com. Click on that. Then here we have to click on this download button. And you just need to simply choose this one. And then as you can see, this will be downloaded from here. So let's just wait in a while. So once done, click on this folder icon. And you will see this one from here. You need to make a right click on it. And you have to select the option Extract All. Click on Extract button. And here we need to find this one, Install All. So you need to make a right click on it and then right click, select Show More Options. And then you have to select Run as Administrator, okay? Run as Administrator. And we just need to wait for this to be done. So you just need to wait for this process to be fully done. Okay, so once all of this is done, then you just need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Do not forget to restart your Windows once the process is done from here, okay? So do not forget to restart your Windows once this is once everything is done from here, and that's it. That issue will be fixed by the method that we have done. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.